Apple might be making its most controversial iPhone in years, and it has nothing to do with the design. If the latest leaks are accurate, the iPhone 18 Pro could become the biggest leap in performance and camera technology we've seen in a long time. But it may also come with a price tag that makes even loyal iPhone fans think twice. And once you hear what's reportedly changing behind the scenes, you'll understand why this launch could divide buyers more than any recent iPhone. Let's start with the biggest surprise. Most people expected Apple to focus on making the iPhone thinner or giving it a completely new look. Instead, multiple reports from Mac Rumors, Bloomberg's Mark Gurman, and analyst Ming-Chi Kuo suggest Apple is putting nearly all of its effort into what's inside the phone. That might sound less exciting at first, but these internal upgrades could have a much bigger impact on how the phone feels every single day. Now, here's where things get serious. The iPhone 18 Pro is widely rumored to debut Apple's brand new A20 Pro chip built on TSMC's advanced 2nm manufacturing process. That number sounds small, but it represents one of the biggest efficiency improvements in years. Early industry estimates suggest around 15% faster performance while using up to 30% less power than the previous generation. That means smoother gaming, faster video editing, quicker AI tasks, and better battery life, all at the same time. That's the kind of upgrade you actually notice after weeks of using the phone. But the processor isn't even the most exciting part. According to respected Apple analyst Ming-Chi Kuo, Apple is also expected to introduce a redesigned memory system with 12 gigabytes of RAM across the Pro lineup. That extra memory isn't just there for multitasking. It's being added to power the next generation of Apple Intelligence features. Imagine editing photos, generating text, translating conversations, and running advanced AI tools directly on your iPhone with almost no delay. Apple isn't just building a faster phone, it's building a phone designed around artificial intelligence from the ground up. And just when you think that's enough, the camera rumors take things to another level. For years, Apple has relied on fixed aperture cameras. Now, several supply chain reports indicate the iPhone 18 Pro could finally feature a variable aperture main camera. In simple terms, the lens would physically adjust how much light enters the sensor, similar to professional cameras. That means brighter night shots, sharper portraits, improved background blur, and far greater creative control. It's one of those upgrades photographers have been requesting for years, and if Apple delivers, it could completely change smartphone photography. But here's the twist nobody saw coming. Reports suggest Apple may also shrink the dynamic island by moving more Face ID components beneath the display. Some leaks even claim the cutout could become roughly 30 to 35% smaller. It's not a full-screen iPhone just yet, but it's another step toward Apple's long-term goal of making the display feel completely uninterrupted. Even if you don't think about it every day, every video, every game, and every photo instantly becomes more immersive. Now, let's talk battery, because this could be one of the biggest real-world upgrades. Industry insiders believe the iPhone 18 Pro Max may receive a battery exceeding 5,000 milliamps for the first time. Combine that with the more efficient A20 Pro chip and upgraded display technology, and users could finally see noticeably longer battery life without sacrificing performance. Imagine finishing an entire day of heavy use and still having enough charge left for the evening. That's an upgrade almost everyone can appreciate. But there's another reason people are paying close attention. Several reports indicate Apple is preparing major improvements for Apple Intelligence with iOS 27. Smarter Siri, deeper app integration, more personalized suggestions, and faster on-device processing are all expected to play a huge role. Instead of simply adding AI because everyone else is doing it, Apple appears focused on making these features feel invisible, working quietly in the background until you actually need them. Here's where things become controversial. Industry analysts, including IDC, believe the iPhone 18 Pro lineup could see a noticeable price increase due to rising component costs, especially memory and advanced camera hardware. Some estimates point toward an increase of around $200 compared to current Pro models. Suddenly, every rumored feature has to justify a much higher price. Better cameras are great, smarter AI is exciting, longer battery life sounds fantastic, but are they worth paying significantly more? And that's exactly why this launch feels different. Unlike previous generations that relied on flashy redesigns, the iPhone 18 Pro appears focused on refining nearly every part of the experience: faster processing, better battery, professional level photography, more powerful AI, smaller display cutouts. None of these changes alone sound revolutionary. Together, they could create one of the most polished iPhones Apple has ever built. Here's my prediction. If these leaks become reality, the iPhone 18 Pro won't just be another yearly upgrade. It could become the first iPhone where artificial intelligence feels just as important as the camera itself. And if Apple gets both right, competitors may spend the next few years trying to catch up. Now, I want to hear from you. If the iPhone 18 Pro really launches with these upgrades but also costs around $200 more, would you still buy it, or would you save your money and stick with the iPhone 17 Pro? Drop your opinion in the comments, because this debate is only getting started. And if you want early access to every major Apple leak, hidden feature, and launch breakdown before anyone else, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications. The biggest iPhone surprises are still ahead.